Guys! Hey guys, a really brief intro, unbox and overview of building up these nifty little Gatchanen kits. Yes, they're in 1/35 scale. That's what the 35's for. Plus a heads up on what's coming soon. Now first off, I'm really sorry that I'm kind of out of timing with the video releases. You may have seen that I've just done a couple of books. And yeah, that was really tough. I also want to catch up and give you some insights on what is good to get for enjoying some sci-fi modeling. Plus, here are a couple of sneaky peek shots from my new book, which is available for pre-order up on Paint on Plastic now. Yep, it's the first ever official book on this topic in English, one for your collection for sure, and it's likely to be a first stop for us English and almost in English and Ma.K speakers. I've included a special section on what is Maschinen Krieger for you. Thank you very much for those who've already secured your pre-orders. I super appreciate you. You can get yours now on paintonplastic.com. These Gatchanen kits are pretty nifty, and let's just say there's a bunch more on the way from the same maker, Kaiyoudo-san. They may not even be capsule toys, but boxed up suits and machines, and that could be kind of cool. I'll share more as I'm able to, but who am I to listen to for this stuff? Well, I used to work as a studio artist in Japan for this stuff, but now do my own thing, and I'm happy to share my unbiased views and insider tips on this for you, so please like and subscribe. Gatchanen is the proper name for toys that come in capsules in vending machines. It's the sound they make as we crank the handle after we put in the coin. Gacha, and then pong as the capsule pops out. It's one of the many onomatopoeia that Japanese is full of. These are Kaiyoudo's take on the classic, and it's a clever little kit that can fit in with some of the largest Gatchanen pods I've seen. Truth be known, I don't think these are ever going to be put into Gatchanen machines. Like mine, they just came in a nifty box of 9, and it looks like you get 3 of each version and color. The name Gatchanen is a play on words here for gacha, as I've just explained, and machinen's nen. Yes, that kind of combo bundling with words is really popular in Japan, but for us, it just means these nifty little kits. I do feel a little apologetic for showing these now, as I think they were a splash release and not easy to get at regular retail. Very sorry. They are probably all sitting under that same guy's IKEA sofa who has all those Nitto kits that keep popping up. But for sure, they are still around, and I want to prepare you more for the future stuff coming up. That's what this video is for. Now the build here is super simple. It's like a really well thought out Space Marine, but multi-part. Great instructions, and the parts almost have little undergates, so it makes cleaning up super easy. The parts also have clever little plugs on them so that they only fit in correctly into the corresponding hole. So civilized. Even I'm getting them right. First try. The shape is great, although, the suit looks like they may have skipped a couple of leg days, but somehow their feet didn't. Weird, but hey, these are some of the best ones so far, particularly with the build quality. There's 3 versions, a Kauz, a Flieger, and a Raptor, in each of the off-white, yellow, and purple plastics. I do hope they keep up the different color plastics for future releases as well. These 2 versions I have for you here are just pressed together. I'll be painting them up next to use as background details for a diorama on my camel project, this kit. Please look forward to a video on that one soon as well. Now, let's take our Flieger for a little test flight. And thanks always, guys.
Alright, here we go. Off-white 5, starting our attack run. Big toaster, really big cinnamon rolls, and it's not even fika time yet. Dirty crap from lunch that Lincoln hasn't cleaned up yet. Quasi-angry wife who I'm interrupting. Her pronunciation is...
Idiot.
Off-white 5 out.